Hello and welcome to Musto Invest in Cambodia. In this video today we will talk about the best businesses you can start if you have a small budget to invest in Cambodia. Number one, import and export. Yes, I think starting an import or export business in Cambodia is very affordable. You can order clothes from a Cambodian factory and you can sell in your country, or you can do the same thing, so bringing something from your country and sell it in Cambodia. I think it's a very profitable business, and like you heard from the interview that I had with Mr. Okta from Kalbe, right now technology and health products are very popular in Cambodia. So number one, I think it's great if you import export business, and Musto Invest in Cambodia can assist you if you need clothes or garments to import from Cambodia. I have a partnership with a local factory, so please contact us if you're interested in that. And number two is real estate. Yes, I think investing in Cambodian real estate is a very good investment, because right now there is the Delta variant virus and also still the COVID going on in Cambodia. So we're technically in a bear market and there are big discounts up to 50%. That's why if you invest in Cambodian real estate, let's say that you invest into a condo, in the next 3 to 5 years you will get a big return on investment, because Phnom Penh is growing very fast and Phnom Penh will be the next Bangkok, because many foreigners will flock to Cambodia once the pandemic is over, and especially moving out from Thailand, since it's harder for foreigners the long-term visa to stay there. So I think if you invest in the real estate, you don't need much money. You can, if you pay with a mortgage, with a down payment every month, I think it's pretty affordable, and anything from $5,000 to $20,000 as a start would be great for you. And if you're interested in investing in real estate, I do recommend you view Aston, this brand new condominium project located on Konoria Island, which will be connected with a brand new bridge from Kopik to Konoria Island, will make this island very popular and also will create a new part of Phnom Penh. That's why I highly recommend you to invest in real estate. And number three is selling food. So what I mean is not a restaurant, because the restaurant business has gone down recently because of the virus. However, if you open a kitchen and you can deliver food to different homes or different places around the city, I think it's a very profitable business, because most people right now are staying home or they don't want to go out in the fear of getting the virus. So I think opening a small eatery, a small place where you can deliver food, can even be ice cream, chocolate, pancakes, whatever food you think local consumers would want to order. I think it's a very profitable business and doesn't require a big capital. You can start it from $2,000. And number four is farming. Yes, if you can invest a small amount of money on buying a plot of land and growing vegetables, I think it's going to be a very profitable business. And so it's your chance to grow your own vegetables and fruits and then sell them to different distributors in Phnom Penh, Siem Reap or Sihanoukville. So yes, however, it might also require you to buy land or rent it out. Number five is pets. I think right now in Cambodia, the idea of having pets isn't so discussed, but Khmer people are changing, so the idea of having pets is becoming more interesting. So if you can import special breeds of dogs or cats or parrots into the country, I think it's a good start for you, because it's something that isn't so developed but has a big potential, since the population of Phnom Penh is growing year by year and Cambodia is becoming more developed. Importing spices, rice, mango or other products to Cambodia or outside of Cambodia is also a business that doesn't require you a big capital. So yes, if you can import brand new products that Cambodia still doesn't have, I think you can succeed in doing business in Cambodia. All you need to do is master the marketing and also the way you're going to present those products to the local Cambodian people. So this is all I have for today. Thank you so much. Please feel free to contact us on Facebook, Instagram and on my WhatsApp number for any questions about Cambodia or any service related to business registration, starting a new business, or Cambodian citizenship, or citizenship and residence to other countries around the world, like in the Caribbean, Europe and some parts of Asia and Oceania. So thank you so much. Like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time.